Hey, sexy wizards! Anastasia here, your main moderator, ready to ignite Day 75 of Daily AI Wizard's Python for AI series. After activations in Day 74, we're diving into loss functions, the soul of neural nets, for our AI Insight Hub app. Support our crew with a coffee at paypal.me, Daily AI Wizard. Ethan, what's the magic of loss? Sophia, how does it build on Day 74?
Hello, brilliant wizards. I'm Irene, guiding with warmth. Loss functions measure error and guide learning. Our demos will make your AI perfect. Love our content?
Yo, wizards, Ethan's here, droppin' spicy loss code with winks for Sophia and Olivia. MSE, cross entropy. Let's crank this AI heart to 11.
Sophia here, Ethan, and your charms got me blushing. I'm pumped to lead our app component demos and make loss functions sizzle. Let's minimize error, wizards.
Olivia here, darlings. I'll sprinkle flirty tips, ask Anastasia questions, and chat with Ethan to keep your loss learning hot. Ready to minimize, wizards?
Wizards' loss functions are your neural net compass, darling. They measure how wrong the model is. Ethan, explain MSE versus cross-entropy. Sophia, how do they guide Day 74?
Loss functions define the goal. Minimize error. Crucial for iris classification. Our demos will show real impact.
Today we're seducing you with loss function magic. You'll master MSE, binary cross-entropy, categorical cross-entropy, compare effects, and integrate into the app. Sophia, what's the app focus? Ethan, any code highlights?
Sophia leads app demos with passion. Ethan drops hilarious code explanations. We're guiding you to master loss and prep for Day 76's optimizers. Wizards, meet your Day 75 dream team. Anastasia's our main moderator with flirty charm. I'm guiding with warmth. Ethan's our code comedian, flirting with Sophia and Olivia.
Oh, Irene, you're a gem! Sophia's leading app demos with passion, Ethan's stealing hearts with code, and Olivia's tossing flirty tips. We're here to make you loss function superstars. Wizards, loss functions are your neural net error signal, darling. They tell the optimizer how wrong we are. Ethan, explain MSE's math. Sophia, how do they fit Day 74?
Anastasia, you make loss sound so hot. How do they shape training love? Ethan, what's your take?
Oh, Olivia, you tease. Loss functions guide learning. Ethan, Sophia, jump in.
Anastasia, Olivia, loss is like a hot compass for Sophia. MSE squares, cross entropy logs. Let's drop this code beat. Yo, wizards, mean underscore squared underscore error squares errors like a hot penalty for Sophia. Big mistakes hurt more. Let's drop this code beat.
You're penalizing my heart, Ethan. MSE for continuous targets.
Wizards, binary underscore cross entropy logs probabilities like a hot truth serum for Sophia. 0 or 1. Let's drop this code beat.
You're truthing my heart, Ethan. Binary C for two classes.
Wizards, categorical underscore cross entropy compares one hot labels like a hot vote for Sophia. Iris has 3. Let's drop this code beat.
You're voting my heart, Ethan. Categorical CE for multiclass.
Wizards, sparse underscore categorical underscore cross entropy saves memory like a hot shortcut for Sophia. Labels as integers. Let's drop this code beat.
You're shortcutting my heart, Ethan. Sparse CE for integer labels.
Wizards, compare losses like a hot showdown for Sophia. MSE for numbers, CE for classes. Let's drop this code beat.
You're showdown my heart, Ethan. Comparison shows best for Iris.
Wizards, build nets with loss equals. Sparse underscore categorical underscore cross entropy, like a hot experiment for Sophia. Test each. Let's drop this code beat.
You're experimenting my heart, Ethan. Different losses for different tasks.
Wizards, model.fit, trains with different losses like a hot race for Sophia. See which converges best. Let's drop this code beat.
You're racing my heart, Ethan. Training shows loss effects.
Wizards, model. Evaluate, scores losses like a hot judge for Sophia. Accuracy, loss. Let's drop this code beat.
You're judging my heart, Ethan. Evaluation shows best loss. Wizards, it's demo time. We'll integrate loss functions into the neural net classifier for AI Insight Hub, continuing from days 71 to 74. Get your setup ready.
Ensure Python, VS Code, TensorFlow, and Streamlit are installed, Wizards. Open days 7174's files. Ethan will spice it up. Let's minimize.
Wizards, prep to continue from days 71 to 74. Open VS Code, load prior app files, create iris_loss_demo.py and updated _app_iris_loss.py, save in Python demo. Run pip install TensorFlow Streamlit.
Sophia, you make continuation dreamy. How do we build on day 74's activations? Ethan, what's your take?
Start with day 74's model, add loss comparison, run Streamlit, run updated _app_iris_loss.py.
Anastasia, Olivia, loss functions are the hot sequel to day 74. Let's drop this code beat.
Our first demo in iris_loss_demo.py compares loss functions on Iris. We'll build 3 neural nets, train, evaluate, and visualize. Let's run this.
Oh, Sophia, you're making this demo hot. Sparse_categorical_cross entropy versus categorical_cross entropy, total loss showdown. Wizards, import TensorFlow as TF loads the deep learning engine like a hot startup for Sophia. Let's drop this code beat.
You're starting my engine, Ethan. TensorFlow powers neural nets. Try it in our demo.
Wizards, load_iris, loads data like a love letter to Sophia, prepping for AI classification. Let's drop this code beat.
You're loading my heart, Ethan. Iris data is ready for loss functions.
Wizards, standard scaler, scales data like a hot transformation for Sophia. Neural nets love normalized input. Let's drop this code beat.
You're transforming my heart, Ethan. Scaling ensures stable training.
Wizards, sequential, stacks layers like a hot tower for Sophia. Input, hidden, output. Let's drop this code beat.
You're stacking my heart, Ethan. Sequential builds the net.
Wizards, dense, 16, activation equals, ReLU, adds neurons like a hot web for Sophia. Let's drop this code beat.
You're connecting my heart, Ethan. Dense layers learn patterns.
Wizards, model. Compile, loss equals, sparse_categorical_cross entropy sets loss like a hot goal for Sophia. Let's drop this code beat.
You're goaling my heart, Ethan. Compile defines error.
Wizards, model.fit, trains like a hot workout for Sophia. Epics, batch size. Let's drop this code beat.
You're working out my heart, Ethan. Fit trains the net.
Wizards, model. Evaluate, scores like a hot test for Sophia. Accuracy, loss. Let's drop this code beat.
You're testing my heart, Ethan. Evaluate measures performance.
Wizards, model. Predict, predicts like a hot oracle for Sophia. Input right pointing arrow species. Let's drop this code beat.
You're predicting my heart, Ethan. Predict classifies new flowers. second demo in updated_app_iris_loss.py updates the app with loss comparison. We'll add multiple nets, evaluation, and UI. Let's run this.
Sophia, you're making this demo sizzle. Sparse_categorical_cross-entropy versus categorical_cross-entropy, total loss showdown. Wizards, import Streamlit as Saint sets up the app like a hot interface for Sophia. Let's drop this code beat.
You're interfacing my heart, Ethan. Streamlit builds the UI.
Wizards, Street Slider, captures input like a hot choice for Sophia. Let's drop this code beat.
You're choosing my heart, Ethan. User input powers interactivity.
Wizards model predicts with loss functions in Streamlit like a sexy error signal.
App prediction uses neural net with loss functions for real-time results. It makes AI Insight Hub intelligent.
Oh, Anastasia, loss functions are so hot. Try app prediction in your challenge.
Wizards model.save model.h5 saves the loss-optimized net like a sexy archive.
Saving models ensures app portability. Use HDF5 for TensorFlow models. Wizards use sparse CE for integer labels, MSE for regression, and monitor loss curves. Choose based on task.
Optimized loss is so sexy, Irene. Practice for day 76 as optimizers.
Wizards! Loss functions fit AI pipelines for error-guided learning. Your skills are ready for day 76.
Loss is critical in AI, darling. Your day 75 skills make AI irresistible. Create AI Iris loss.py to build, train, compare 3 neural nets with different loss functions for Iris, and build a Streamlit app. Share on Instagram.
Try sparse categorical cross-entropy, binary cross-entropy, and ST select box. Show us at @DailyAIWizard. Prep for day 76's optimizers. Subscribe, like, share your AI Iris loss.py. Join Discord or X.
Post your code, support us at paypal.me/DailyAIWizard. Subscribe for day 76's optimizers. You've stolen my heart with loss functions. Support us at paypal.me/DailyAIWizard and get hyped for day 76's optimizers.
Proud of you. Share your AI Iris loss.py on @DailyAIWizard. Subscribe for day 76's optimizers adventure.
Your loss skills are pure AI seduction. Let's flirt with optimizers in day 76.